Hi, in previous video we discussed basic detail about parcel. Now in this tutorial we will discuss about some other option with very details and with real world example. First of all, we will draw a rectangle. We can select it from the tool bar. We can select it from the ribbon, or we can enter from our keyboard REC. Shortcut key for the rectangle is REC. So press enter. Once you press enter, you need to click somewhere, and now you can see on the command bar there is three options. One is area, one is dimension, one is rotation. So we will select the dimension. For the dimension, you can select it from the command bar, or you can enter from your keyboard only shortcut key D. Once you enter D, then it's called you specify the length. So we will enter 2000, enter by 1000. So press enter, and now it's asking you that which side you need this rectangle, right or left, east or west. So you need to select the one location and press enter or right click. Now you can see that your rectangle is drawn successfully. In this rectangle, suppose this is our housing society, and in this rectangle we are going to draw some plots. First of all, we will draw a road, some roads, and we will draw alignment on these roads. So select here polyline and select somewhere here. For example, this is our road 1. You can just turn on ortho mode from F8, or you can just select it from here. The ortho is shortcut is F8, or you can select it from here. If it's not display, you can go to this 3 line, and from this 3 line you can select any of your toggle key. So press this one, and now you can just select here and press. Now this road is drawn, and again we will draw a road from here to, let's say, suppose here to here. So this is our road number 2, and we will press space or enter, so the same command will be active again. We will draw a road from here. You can say that first of all we will draw a line in the mid of this rectangle, so it will be easy for us how to divide it. So, and the next we will draw a road between this point and this point in the center. Okay, here is the center. Let's say that it's our center for this one. You can just select here to here. Okay, and also we will draw road number 4 from this, in this center. You can say, let's say that this is our center. You can just start from here, and we will end this road somewhere here in the center. You can say that this is the center. So we will just make it like this way. Press enter. Now we have 4 roads: road number 1, road number 2, road number 3, and this is road number 4. So on these same roads we will draw first of all alignments. So for the alignments purpose, we can see here the alignment. From here you can just select alignment, and here we have different type of option which we will discuss in upcoming tutorials with very details and with standards. So now we need just only to use create alignment from object. So this option is very important for us for this tutorial. So we will draw some, because we have polyline and this is an object. So we will select alignment and select from here create alignment from object. So first of all we will select our first alignment, and we will click enter. Once we click enter, then it asks you reverse. So it's up to you. You want to start from this point or you want to start from this point, you can start it. So click enter, and here we will provide a name. But before going to draw alignment, we need to create a parcel. First of all, for this outer boundary, this is the important part. So after creating this, then we will go and create some alignments. Okay, so for this purpose you need to go to the parcel command and select create parcel from object. So select object and press enter. Once you click enter, this dialog box will open, and now you need to select this small box and create a name. For example, I am going to enter new project number 1. You can just say it. So apply and OK. Once you click apply and OK, next you can select here, as I explained, the parcel style, but we don't need to select any. We will just change this parcel label style. We will select name, square meter and acres. So click OK. Now you have this parcel. Now we can easily draw our alignment. Go to the alignment option and select create alignment from object. First of all, this is our road 1. We will press enter, enter, and now this open. We can just click our road 1, road 1, and here you can see the site. Why I create before the alignment and parcel? Because you need to select this site. Click, and now once you click, as I explained in the previous video, that if you have two lines in one side, it can subdivide, but if you don't have two objects in one side, then it will not subdivide. So that's why I create before a site. Now I am going to create alignment. So once I select a site from here, it will be subdivided to this main area. So this is the purpose of this. So click OK. Now you can see that it's subdivided. Before was only main parcel, now it's subdivided to 2. Next we will create alignment for this road number 2. Create alignment from object, select this one, object, printer, and give here the name road number 2, and here we need to select new project site, and here we don't require. If you want to change the radius, you can easily change it from here. Road number 2 is also successfully done. Now we go to draw alignment on road number 3. Create alignment from object, select this, press enter, enter, and now here enter road number 3, and from here you need to select project, new project site, click enter. This road is done already, and now we have this road number 4. Create alignment from object, select this road, enter, press, and here you can just provide road number 4, and from here you can just select new project and press OK. Now you have 4 alignments for the road. After that, we need to create a right of way, and it's mean corridor for this road. So how we can create it? If we go to the parcel command, we can see here create ROW, right of the way. Or if we go to the parcel command here we can easily see that create right of way. So once you click on this create right of way, it will ask you select parcel. Okay, we will select this parcel also and press enter. Once you press enter, you can just 25 and press OK. Once you click on OK, now you can see that your parcel is created successfully. Once you click on OK, now you can see that your parcel right of way is created successfully. So in this area, we are going to give a roundabout. So how we can provide the roundabout? Go to the parcel, and from the parcel you need to select create parcel by layout, or you can easily go to select this option also from here, parcel creation tool. Once you click on parcel creation tool, this dialog box will open, and from here you can see that here is the fixed curve 3 points. Select this curve and click on OK. Now this is asking you in the command bar specify the start point. Once you specify the start point, next it's asking for you the radius up to where you need it, so just select it here. And now next it's asking you that select the end point. Once you click, now you can see that your radius is created successfully. Here we have this line. So for this line, if you want to remove only this part of line, so you need to use trim. But the normal trim, as I explained in the previous video, the normal trim command will not work. So you can just select this line from here. Once you select this line, you can see that this edit geometry, you can click on this edit geometry. Once you click, this all command will be display here. So here is our trim command. You can see that we will select this trim command, not the normal trim command. Once you select the trim, first you need to select this line, right click, and now you need to select this line. You can see that this line is deleted and it's also merged to the main parcel. Okay, so now we need to delete this line from here. We don't need this line, or we can just select this line and we can draw a line from here to here. So later we will draw parcel of this. So select this line and delete it. Now we have this. Even you can convert this line to the parcel. Once you click on the parcel command, you can just select create a parcel. So click here. Once you click on this, now you can see that you have also parcel of this area. So now we will go to draw some plots or show some plots in this area. For this purpose we need to go to the parcel and select parcel creation tool. So once we go to this line, we have different type of option here. Here is the line, here is the if you want to draw any curve, you can just select it from here. And here you can see this is a draw tangent, but we don't need to use. So here this is the main option which we can see from here. Slide line creation, the first is slide line creation, slide line edit, swing line edit, and free from create. So first of all we will explain about the slide line creation. Once you click on this dialog box will open. If you want to do some changing, you can changing from here. First of all we will select only name square meters. You can change the label from here and click OK. Once you click on OK, which parcel you want to subdivide it, so you can just select the parcel. And once you select the parcel, in the command bar it will just say that select start point or footage. So we will just click here, and once we click here we can see that it give us this line like this. So we will just select from here to here, and now it's asking that specify the angle. So we will change some option from here. For example, if we just select this 20,000, 100, you can say 100, 100, 100, and we will make this minimum footage no, and this is okay, the rest is okay. You can just, once you change these parameters, you can just press enter from your keyboard, and now you can see that your plots and parcel are ready. So it is asking you that you are satisfied with the result. You can just press enter yes. So now you can see that your plots, perimeters, area, each and everything is displayed very successfully.